In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the Shein website, browse for a product, and make a purchase, step by step. Whether you're new to Shein or you're just looking to streamline your online shopping experience, this guide will walk you through the process with ease. To begin, open up your preferred web browser and head over to the Shein website by typing www.shein.com into the address bar. Press enter and give the page a moment to load. Once there, you'll find yourself on the Shein homepage filled with a variety of banners showcasing their latest collections, deals, and trending items. Spend a moment here to get familiar with the layout and feel of the website. It's designed to be user-friendly, with intuitive navigation bars that lead you to different categories of clothing, accessories, and more. Now let's dive into browsing for a product. You can either use the search bar at the top of the page to find something specific or explore the categories listed. These categories help you narrow down your options based on what you're looking to purchase, from women's clothing, men's styles, to kids' apparel, or even home goods. Once you've decided on a category, you'll be presented with a range of products that match your interest. Take your time scrolling through the selections and click on any item that catches your eye to learn more about it. Upon selecting a product, you'll land on its individual product page. This page is packed with all the details you may need about the item, including different size options, a detailed description, and customer reviews that provide real insights from other buyers. It's always a good idea to scroll through the reviews and check out any user-uploaded photos to get a better understanding of the item's fit and quality. Now, below the size section on the product page, you'll notice the Q2I option, which stands for quantity. If you're planning to purchase more than one of the same item, perhaps to qualify for a discount or just to stock up, simply click on the plus sign next to Cutie to increase the number to your desired amount. Once you've adjusted the quantity, review your selections once more, size, quantity, and any other options available. And when you're ready, click the Add to Bag button. This will place the item into your shopping bag, which you can access by clicking on the shopping bag icon, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Congratulations! You've now successfully navigated Shein, selected a product, adjusted your purchase quantity, and added it to your bag. You're ready to pay and complete your purchase whenever you're ready. That's all there is to it. Following these steps ensures a smooth and efficient shopping experience on Shein. Don't forget to explore and enjoy the variety of styles they have to offer. Happy shopping, and we'll see you in the next video.